Hello, testing. Okay, it's working. Hello everyone, welcome to another live stream. Today's stream is already live stream number 22. Is that right? Yeah, I believe it is. And today we're going to keep working on Smack, right? Again, October is really close to ending. Halloween is just around the corner. And yeah. And just now I'm getting excited again to work on the project, right? But let's do this, okay? Let's enjoy while I'm excited to do it. So yeah. First of all, the first thing that I want to show you is actually in ClickTeam. Remember yesterday's live that I finished working on the new aberrations and new customers and everything? And I said that I just needed to implement them into the game? Yeah, I did that yesterday, right? So they are now in the game, okay. So you can see that the new model is here. I just adjusted the accessories and the clothing as well. So yeah, they're all here, like implemented and everything. And now when you shoot them, you see that like the screen actually froze for a second. This is intentional to give more impact when you like hit a customer, you know. Yeah. I'm going to test it a little bit more and fine-tune it, because I believe it's not there yet. And I'll add more particles and more effects and everything. And even change a little bit the shotgun shot, something like that. But yeah, but that's it. That's all that I made yesterday, pretty much just implemented the new models. And let me show you just the new aberration. Perfect. Let me just transform this guy here. Okay. What do you think about it? Like, I find it really good. Fortunately, at the moment it just dies with one shot and it's kinda buggy. But yeah. That's all stuff that I have to fix, right? But for today, what do I want to do for today? There's one thing that I have to see right here. Oh, it's not much space, is it? Yeah, that might be a problem. Oh, let me just see this here. Okay. Now let's move to a sprite. Because today I'm going to work on the up here, right? So it is 12, which means that there's 6 pixels that I can work with. 8 pixels that I can work with. There's 8 pixels that I can work with here. Okay. Let me just do this very quickly and check if everything's alright. Oh yeah, everything's alright. Let me just check it here. 8 pixels. Okay, so maybe I'll be able to use 16 pixels. I don't know. Let me try to make it right here, just a mock-up very quickly. Okay, so what I'm doing here, okay, I'm going to make a health bar. Okay, so this is going to be the player health bar, right? A bar that goes like not across in the entire screen, but something similar to it. Okay, let me just see it. My original plan was to make it like 200 pixels, but now looking at it, 200 pixels is nothing really. It's too little. So maybe I can make it like 600 pixels. Okay, thank you, thank you. Oh yeah. Maybe I can make like 600 pixels. The bar, right? The half bar. Let you see? 600. Okay. And now let me just centralize it. Let me just see. Here it is 95, and here it is 101. Okay. $98. Okay. This would be the health bar, right? The player health bar. I have to fit it inside this space here, or I can always have a good old frame around it. And then have a outline around it and try to fit this into here, right? I believe that if I made it look how much time does it take? Space actually 16. I have 2 more pixels to play with. I could like make the frame 1 pixel thicker. Because here it is 6. No, I'm not going to focus on the frame. I'm going to focus on the bar itself because it's more important for the player to know. Right, so this will be the health bar of the player. Okay, the player health bar. I could... Let me see. No, I could not. Yeah, I could not. This is fine. This is really fine. Okay. This would be the health bar, right? So let me just prepare it. Let me just make it a real health bar. The only major issue that I see with this health bar is the size of it. It's going to be too small. Like really, really small. It is the only the only problem that I really see with this health bar is the size of it. Yeah, something like this. And then around here, I can make a brownish golden. Okay. Sorry. Sometimes I forgot to I actually forget to mute the microphone actually before I clean my throat. And now let me just do this and this. Very pretty, actually. This looks like a very good health bar. Now I notice that... Is this right? Let me see, okay, let me see something. I'll open... Oh, that's why. Oh, why this happen with me all the time? The driver for my pen is not working. I had to restart the whole computer. But you know what, I'll work with it like this for now. It's very odd, it's very strange, like, it's... You cannot see it, but it's not... Like, oh, dang it. Like, really, why this stuff happens? Why it happens? All the time, all the time. It's not something that happens like once a year. It's something that happens literally all the time. And it's bothering me so much. But okay, that's fine, you know? You know what, this is fine, this is fine. I can work like this. At least for today I can. It's not ideal, but... yeah. I haven't tested the pen tablet today. So yeah. I'm gotta remember to do that before start live streaming. For the next time, it does not happen. For it to don't happen again next time. Okay, that's exactly what I wanted to say. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so I'm stupid. Dude, this is bothering me so much because it's like distinct from the... It's very distinct, like, it's really, really, really distinct. Oh god. And I don't believe there's a way to restart the drivers here. I'm very divided about what to do. Yeah, you could make like a... exactly like this. Okay, so this is going to be the health bar background. Okay. And now let's create another layer with the health bar itself. thinking about making the health bar a yellow. Yeah, it gotta be something like this. But I feel like I'm going to change the color. Maybe make it a pink. Yeah, I believe a pink it's a lot better. Maybe have only 2 pixels of light. No, 3 pixels is better. Okay. And now. What if I just brought everything 1 pixel downwards? No, it looks very strange. Yeah, I believe this is a good health bar. Okay, so this is going to be the health bar. Alright. And now let's move towards here and place the health bar somewhere. I believe that here is a good spot to place the health bar. Okay, so this is going to be the health bar background. Health bar background. Okay. And then I'm going to have it like follow the frame. And then there will be another one called health bar. It's going to follow the frame as well. This one will have a variable called scale. And I believe that's it. Okay, there is one thing that I have to change here, which is the hotspot. Just check one thing here. So it is in the last pixel. This one should be in the last pixel as well. Like here. This one is 24 still. Okay. Just move it right here. Okay. It will all make sense very soon. Let me just see how it looks in game. It's not bad, you know, you can see the health bar up there and it follows the screen. The only problem is with the menus, actually. It kinda like takes the top spot there. I'm going to okay, sorry. I'm going to shorten the menus a little bit on the y-axis. Just for it to fit perfectly up there, right? Oh yeah, so this is the UI. This is the first UI of the game. Okay. And now for it to work, I have to set my player health to 6. 600 or 1000? 1000. The amount of pixels don't matter. Okay, and now where I can put it? Here on always, I believe it's fine. Always. Health bar. Scale. X scale. To... Not como se calculation, okay? It's player health divided by 1000. Minimum. Let's see what it does, okay? So if I press 1 from the keypad, it's going to reduce, like, subtract 1 from player health. But if I press 0, it's going to add 1 to player health. Let me see, can I... why? Why? I believe it do not need the scale variable. I got ahead of myself there. Okay, so why that's happening? It will set the X scale, right, to player health divided by 1000. Maybe that's 0 for it to be perfect. You can see that the... Okay, it's no longer there. Okay. So the player health is 1000, right? Yeah, it is 1000. If I place it like 600. Divided by 10. Let's test stuff, okay? Let's test stuff here. And it's gone. We just set the player health. Close it. Reopen it. Okay. No. Okay. Scale. Okay. This is going to always set X scale to this guy here. Scale. Right? But it's going to always set scale to the calculation between sorry, player health divided by 1000. Why? It should be working. Keep in mind that my math is not very good, so may be doing stuff really wrong. Okay, so it's going to set the scale. Okay, so I want the result to be 1 when it's max. Yeah, player health divided by 1. Divided by 1000, actually. It should be. What if I make the opposite way? Player health is actually 1000. So this should be 1. Why? Why it's doing this? Why it gives the result 0? It should give the result 1. Doesn't it? Because it's dividing the player health, which is 1000, right? By 1000. This means that should get 1, right? Let me just use the calculator very quickly to see if I remember fundamental math correctly. Yeah, I do. Why? Why? Like, why? I know that I already tried it, but I don't get it. I really don't get it. But if I place a... Genius. Are you telling me that 1000 is too big? Let me test it with 10. Test it with 2. Let me test it with 1. It really does not make any sense. Oh. Okay. It should work, but somewhere in the code I left one of these guys here. But with the player health. Yeah. It's this. That's why it's not working. Okay. This is so frustrating, so stupid. Now I can see if it works. Divided by 1000. Now let's see if it works. Oh yeah, unfortunately it does not work with decimals. But if I place like 1000.0. Hehe. Now it works. Okay, now it's working, You can see the health bar depleting there. I set it to like 2000. 2000. Okay, and if I set it to 10, then enter. If I set it to 1, enter. Set it to 0, enter. Okay, perfect. This is working. And now, all I have to know is if it works without the oh yeah, not 1000.0 because it has to be decimals. 20, 100, 500, 600, 85, 1001. 1100. The health bar is kinda bigger, right? But that's because it's a fixed value, right? In this game I don't need anything, like I don't need to make a different value for that, but I could make a max health value and always divide the health bar for the max value, for the max health, and times 1.0, I believe. That would give a decimal number. That's what I think, at least. Okay, so it's working. The health bar is working. Now I can manipulate it any way possible, right? I can remove, I can add, I can do stuff with it, okay? Okay. Let's save it. Okay, I'll probably like divide this stream in 2 steps, in 2 parts, right? Because I really want to fix my tablet drivers, so I have to restart my whole computer. So I'll probably stop this live stream right here and come back like in a few minutes. I believe like in 1 to 2 minutes I'll come back. I'll try to leave the live stream on YouTube like open, so maybe, just maybe, YouTube does not like shut down this live stream. So yeah, I'm going to do that really quickly. So let me just like close all the programs that I use. So I believe that I'll end this stream here and I'll come back really soon, okay? I'll just edit the name to part 1. Save. Okay. I'll be back really soon.